Hello friends, today I am headed to do a maintenance on the ever famous dog hair car. This dog mom has tons of hair in her car every time I see this car. Now this might seem like it's oh, it's getting old, it's normal. Well, when I talked to the client last week to make this appointment, she informed me there was a couple of Sheba dogs and an Akita in her car. So this ought to be very interesting. So we're heading there now, and when I get there, you'll see how much we're going to be dealing with. I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit worse than the last time, but we're going to get her done. So if you happen to see the first two videos of me detailing this car, you might remember that I had mentioned to the client that she should get a set of floor mats. When she bought the car, they didn't come with floor mats. I detailed a car from the car lot not long ago. It had two sets of floor mats, the floor mats that come with the car and rubber floor mats that were put over the top of them. I was able to clean up the original floor mats for that car, and I kept the rubber ones, mainly because they were small, because a Jeep Renegade has small floorboards, and they fit really good when I put them in the car. And when I was done with the car, I surprised her by her seeing the floor mats there. In just about 2.5 hours, the car is done. There was not as much dog hair as I was expecting after she told me about the extra dogs being in the car. So I was kind of happy about that. But at the same time, she enjoys having the dogs around, and that's all that matters. And the best part was she was very surprised and happy when she saw the floor mats in her floorboards. That is going to make things a lot easier for the next time. She's good to go, and I'll see her in 3 months. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll see you later.